Mayor, the temporary stop plug po can be placed in 1 week.
Yeah.
Meaning meron na po tayo rito dalawa. We intend to place 4. Kasi po ang taas ng
But
tubig.
you already manufactured the metal.
Yes sir.
Ready
Yeah.
na.
Yes sir. Nung panahon po na akala natin ay walang nangyayari, we are fabricating this in the contractor's
Oh,
yard.
kasi 3 weeks ago,
That's right,
pinangako
sir.
yun sa
That's
akin.
right.
I went there
Yes sir.
and I assure yung
Yes.
mga taga-Paco
Yes sir.
na nakausap ko si Chairman Artes at saka si Secretary Vince na ayusin.
Yes sir.
Eh, alam mo, hindi mo masisisi yung mga taga ron eh. Nagkakasakit na yung mga magkakapit-bahay. Wala namang ulan, may baha.
Yes sir.
But anyway,
sa accessibility.
can you really assure the people of Manila, especially the Paco area,
Yes sir.
in 2 weeks, temporarily,
Stop plug.
walang baha,
Wala pong backflow.
walang backflow?
Yes sir.
Hindi, ang dahilan ng baha, backflow.
Backflow, that's right.
Oh. Tapos, yung damage sa plug gate naman.
Okay.
Ah.
Ang mechanism po ng pagpapagawa o pag-repair natin is once we put the stop plug, wala na pong papasok na tubig. Kung tumaas man ang tubig ng Paco, nandiyan po ang MMDA. At a certain elevation, they will pump it out. I think 11.8 or something. Kasi yung 11.8, may mga barangay na pong binaba. 671, 672, and 674.
Yes.
MMDA po mag-take care doon. Now, how do we take the repair? Gagawa po tayo rito sa ating pong floodgate ng tinatawag na working platform. Gaya po ng isang sirang vessel o isang barko, we need to place this on top of that. That is the methodology. Why? Kasi po nawala na po sa
Kaya muna,
angulo.
lilinawin ko lang ha. Tinanggal nyo na ba yung attitude nyo na phase 1, phase 2,
Wala na po sir nun. Wala sir nun. Wala po para dito.
Kinakabahan na naman
This
ako
is
dyan
just
sa-
a repair sir.
Repair lang, sir.
This is just a repair sir. So
Hindi,
wala.
kahit repair, may phase 1, phase 2.
And we show them the what we call this, the working platform wherein we need to lift this 50-ton gate, the whole of it, and